Namaste bachcho, हमेशा खुश रहो. Myself JVN Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today's topic is oxidation of aldehydes. Okay, uh, aldehydes are rapidly oxidized to the carboxylic acid by number of reagents such as chromic acid and the permanganate. Okay, so this reaction can be the satisfactory reaction, and this is the very sensitive group. Okay, so first the C6H13CHO, this is the aldehyde. In presence of KMnO4 H2SO4, it will give the carboxylic acid. Simply the CHO group will convert into COOH group. The second is like a cyclic compound. Okay, so the CHO group will completely change, oxidize into the COOH group. This reaction probably produced through the hydrate of the aldehyde, and the follow a course similar to that the alcohol oxidation. Okay, like the RC double bond OH. On the hydrolysis, it will give the RCOH, OH and H. Okay. In presence of chromium oxide, it will give the RCOOH group. Okay. Then the silver oxide is a reagent of the choice for the oxidation of the aldehyde to the carboxylic acid. This reagent can be used for the selective oxidation because it has no effect on other oxidizing functional group. Okay, like there is a C6H5CH and CHO group will present, but this Ag2O will only oxidize this CHO group, and it will give the COOH. Okay, now the another example, K2Cr2O7 will undergo in this kind of reaction, and it will convert the aldehyde into the COOH group, carboxylic acid group. The oxidation of ketoaldehyde to the keto acid can be affected by Ag2O reagent. Okay, in presence of excellent T, and it will give the excellent T. No other oxidation agent work in this case. Okay, now if we have COOH here, and it will give the keto acid. Okay, in presence of Ag2O, it will convert, the CHO group will convert into a COOH group. Okay, this is the keto acid. Now the silver oxide is also a powerful oxidizing agent. This agent is prepared by the oxidation of the silver nitrate with the K2S2O8 in an alcoholic medium. The oxidation of aldehyde with the reagent in a neutral or alkaline medium give the carboxylic acid. The CHO will convert into COOH. Okay, in presence of silver oxide. Okay, now the unsaturated aldehyde on the oxidation with Ag2O and NaCN gives the corresponding acid without isomerization of the double bond or a conjugation. What will happen? Simply the unsaturated aldehyde, the CHO with presence of the double bond, will undergo into the oxidation process, and it will give the corresponding acid. Okay, without any isomerization or the double bond in the conjugation bond. Now the conjugated aldehyde can be oxidized to conjugate ester with MnO2 in presence of cyanide in an alcoholic medium. Okay, and here you can see the aldehyde in presence of CN, it will prepare intermediate, and on the MnO2 it will undergo into the some kind of changes, and it is process do not process alpha hydrogen atom undergo the this kind of reaction. Okay, now the C6H5CHO plus C6H5CHO in presence of concentrated NaOH, it will give simply the aldehyde group will convert into the COOH group, and the one is oxidize and give the C6H5COHO, and one will give the alcohol. The aldehyde can also be oxidized by the Tishenko reaction. The reaction takes place in the presence of the aluminum ethoxide instead of the aluminum ethoxide. Sodium alkoxide of the alcohol of the aldehyde can be used as a catalyst. This reaction is used to prepare of ethyl acetate from the aldehyde. Okay, So this is the reaction, the Tishenko reaction. Okay, what happened? 2 moles of aldehyde on presence of AlOC2H5 whole thrice, it will give the CH3COOCH2CH3. Okay, what happened in this kind of reaction? This is the mechanism of the Tishenko reaction. Okay, thank you very much.